happens when Suzuki takes its RMZ DNA and drops it into a big bore adventure format. You get the all-new 2026 RMZ 1050, a bold move into the performance ADV category that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to spot for real-world takes on the latest motorcycles and gear. Today, we're breaking down the aggressive and all-new RMZ 1050 from Suzuki. Designed, the RMZ 1050 brings serious motocross attitude to the ADV world. Inspired by Suzuki's off-road lineage, it features sharp angular plastics, a tall rally-style windscreen, and that signature RM yellow with modern, stealthy black accents. It's built tall and lean, with a slim tank and bodywork that make it feel more dirt bike than road tourer, and that's exactly the point. Performance. At the heart of this beast is a 1050cc parallel twin that's been tuned for torque, not just top-end power. It delivers smooth, low-end grunt with plenty of punch in the mid-range, making it a blast both on the road and off it. The suspension is fully adjustable, and with long travel and solid ground clearance, it's ready to tackle just about anything you throw at it. It's not your average adventure bike. It's built for riders who want performance first, comfort second. Features and tech. Suzuki kept it smart and purposeful. The RMZ 1050 gets a new TFT dash, switchable ABS and traction control, multiple ride modes, and a quick shifter standard. Off-road mode dials back the electronics when things get loose, and there's even cruise control for long stretches. It's not overloaded with tech, but everything it has serves the ride. Conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is Suzuki's statement that adventure bikes don't have to be tame. It's raw, capable, and full of character. A true ADV bike with motocross spirit. What do you think? Too wild or just right? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest motorcycle content. Thanks for hanging out, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.